We would like to now invite Team Meta, our partners, and we'll request them to share their presentation with us. Can I request you to return the clicker, please? Can I request the previous presenters to kindly return the clicker?
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. I know this is the post-lunch session, so I'll try and keep this short and interesting. I'm Shogato. I lead the auto business, among other businesses, at Meta. Used to be called Facebook, which you must be knowing more commonly. We're known as Meta from last year. I am here, and I'm really privileged to be here, standing among the largest community of automotive dealerships in India getting together. It's such a privilege to come and share some of our thoughts on how you can leverage all the platforms of Meta that you otherwise mostly use every single day of your lives to effectively transform the way you reach your customers, how you generate leads effectively, how you do marketing, how you change the economics of your marketing and your P&L. I just wanted to throw a little bit of light on that over the next 10 minutes. As I move on, I think everybody gets that digital now is mainstream. Digital is where people are spending most of their time. But I think some of the numbers change so rapidly, so it's good to refresh yourself. इस देश में कितने 138 करोड़ लोग हैं, उसमें से 60 करोड़ 60 करोड़ मतलब 1 out of every 2 are on digital and social media every single day, right? And they are spending much more time every passing month and quarter. They're spending much more time than they're spending on any other medium. So that's 60 crores is if it was a country, it would be the third largest country on the planet. That's the size of the digital audience and the ones who are on social media in India. But more interestingly, a little bit about Meta and its platforms. आप सब Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram use करते होंगे, आपके family members करते होंगे, आपके dealer employees करते होंगे. But just take a look at how big these platforms are. I'm really proud to share that the size of these platforms, reach of these platforms is the largest for Meta worldwide in India. We are by far in India the largest user base of all these three. 44 crore Indians use Facebook every month. Nearly very large percentage of those 44 crores use it every single day. Same for Instagram. एक time होता था कि Instagram लोग बोलते थे कि ये तो सिर्फ top metros में लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं and things like that. That's not true. Instagram is nearly as large as Facebook in India today, and the explosive growth of Reels is powering that in India. Short form video. If you look around yourself, everybody is now making short form video, posting it out there. There is a number. The entire population of the world is 8 billion, मतलब 80 करोड़ लोग, right? 800 crore, I'm so sorry. 8 billion is equal to 800 crores. Sorry, thank you for correcting me. The Reels number of plays, मतलब जितना plays होता है Reels का worldwide in a month is 140 billion, which means there are 8 billion people. There are 140 billion Reel plays in the world every month. And that number keeps changing every single month. So I'm just giving you a sense of the scale and size, but scale and size आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? इसलिए फर्क पड़ता है because today Facebook alone is larger than the TV urban universe. I am a marketing person last 22 years, 21 years, and I have grown up in the marketing world where you first advertise on TV. Right now, TV urban universe say Facebook is larger, and therefore it penetrates deep into rural India. When we look at Instagram, the TV population of the top tier, which we call NCCS A households, is 17 crore. Instagram is 36 crore per month. Every month, 36 crore users. If you look at print, print is a very large medium, especially for yourself. Print allows you to reach within the city. Facebook is larger than the print IRS universe, and this is as per Q1 of 22. इस बात को भी एक साल हो चुका है. So Facebook is now already larger. But these are the numbers we are formally allowed to share in public. Similarly, the highest IRS reach, IRS is the Indian Readership Survey, I'm sure most of you know that. Highest IRS reach of the largest print publication is 6.8 crore, 7 crore. Instagram is 36 crore. So and internet का अगर कोई भी first smartphone लेता है, internet connection या 4G या 3G कोई भी चालू करता है, the first thing what do? WhatsApp. It is the internet in India. It's the internet in India, it's your second app in India for every single business. 56 crore Indians use WhatsApp every single month, and most of them use it every single day. Yeah? And all this is India numbers. अब ये तो India हो गया. The truth is, every single शहर, गांव, village, town, small town, mid town, metros, mini metros, any classification you take, we are there being used at scale. So whether it's India's capital, New Delhi, at 3.2 crore population, 99% of Delhi is on our platforms. Jaipur, 40 lakhs, 93%. Bhopal, 25 lakhs population, 80% of them. I can guarantee you that there is no part of India that does not have, no part of India where you are selling your vehicles that has anything less than 80 to 90% coverage and monthly usage on our platforms. The problem क्या है फिर? Problem ये है infinite choices and finite attention. What do I mean? Infinite choices. Brands have grown, products have grown, retail stores have grown, dealerships have grown, everything has grown, but दिमाग तो मतलब उतना ही process कर सकता है ना. The human brain is conditioned to filter 95% of the content thrown out. There is a study, very famous study in marketing, where over 1,000 ads we see daily, but we register less than 5% of them. Why? Because most of us are not contextually getting that ad. The ads are not personalized to us. The ads don't mean anything to us, or sometimes they are not served to us in a way where we are looking at them. They might be on a medium जो हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So people look for, and this is the part which I want to leave with everybody. Search helps people find what they're looking for. Money, I know what I want and I search for it. मुझे मालूम है. I want to buy a car, two-wheeler, I want to buy an accessory, I want to buy a loan or something else or an investment. Then I search for it. But what about what I don't know that I need? That's called discovery. Discovery is deep in my brain, I think I need it, but I don't know what I need, or exactly which brand, which product, which specs. But discovery is finding that out when somebody talks to you in a personal way. You found out that ऐसा एक नया hair care product आया है with the right herbs and the right natural ingredients. But you didn't know that you needed it, or you needed to search for something like that. So the point I'm making here is, discovery is much larger than search. And what we tell every single marketing company and marketing organization, anybody selling anything is, what Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp can do for you is make your brand, make your dealership, make your product discoverable at a massive scale. We did a study, and last year ka earnings call say, we surveyed thousands of people across the world. What came out was 90% of them are saying they discover new businesses on Meta Technologies, means our platforms. मतलब I can see it मेरे खुद के घर में कुछ ना कुछ आता ही रहता है through discoverability. Instagram पे देखा खरीद लिया. I'm sure most of you are seeing it, some of that happening in your own houses, right? It's happening at an incredible scale. Now imagine this across 36 crore Indians. How many of them are discovering how many brands, right? Let's come to car industry, the automotive industry. The same survey we did, the auto e-commerce study from August to September in 2020. We did that in India with more than 1,000 respondents. 62%, matlab 3 out of 5, ne bola that they do research and exploration and data gathering on their dealerships also, not just the car. So they also decide which dealership, where to go, what are people writing about them, right? They search for dealerships. I might be wanting to buy a Hyundai car or a Mahindra car or a Volvo car or a Maruti car, but I will also want to know who are the dealers and what are they known for in my vicinity. 81%, mane 4 out of every 5, same study, said Indian auto consumers visited your social media profile. आप लोगों की social media जो page है, they visited it to see the content, the comments, what has transpired there, right? Before coming to your store or coming to your dealership and purchasing. So the question that must be in your head is, so हम क्या करें? How can we leverage all this knowledge? ठीक है, everybody is using you, so what? So the what of it is what we announced with the Federation of Auto Dealerships Association of India at the Auto Expo 2 days ago. 4 साल पहले से we have been working with a few OEMs, 3 OEMs that we worked closely with to start bringing dealerships online using Meta technology such that they can create their social media presence. Social media presence क्या होता है? Facebook, Instagram, Reels, Stories, augmented reality experiences, shorts, Reels, video, testimonials, promotion videos, discounts, loyalty program, all of that. How do you use it? Not manually, but through the Meta solution in an automated way, highly efficiently, and in a targeted hyperlocal radius of 5 to 10 kilometers. अगर आप इधर से Connaught Place या at GK2 or South Extension, if you have a dealership here, within the 10-kilometer radius, can you make yourself discoverable to the right audience? 4 साल से we've been doing this. 2,600 plus dealers out of the 15,000 dealers across the country are now using us regularly, and we now therefore formally partnering with FADA. That's why I'm here. I'm very privileged with FADA to announce the Move with Meta program, which is a industry first hyperlocal expansion program where we will come to where you are. आप लोग जहाँ पे हैं. We are going to state level Vyapar workshops, the Gen X program, Auto Conclave, two-wheeler conclave. Through the partnership with FADA, we hope to be there. And we hope to talk to you. We hope to introduce you to our partners who can then take you through this journey. Now, why will you do this? Should you do this? Without sharing too much details, and I think there is shortage of time, so I'll just give it at a little bit that all the dealerships who are using us now daily, they are seeing massive jump in volume of leads, but cost of leads are going down, cost of booking test drives are going down. It takes a little bit of hand-holding, a little bit of learning, We in this program will not just give you the tech solution, we will give you the toolkits. We will also give you the skilling, the creative program, how to run the best creatives, how to measure your ROI. And you can see a dashboard. आज सुबह को उठ के आप अपने मोबाइल फोन पे डैशबोर्ड देख लीजिएगा कि क्या कल क्या हुआ है. That's the level of sophistication of the product and its the partners that we work with. I will not take too much more time. I know it's the lunch hour and I already spoke about it, so I'm going to wrap in the next couple of minutes. Just remember, everybody to do with auto industry is here, is on our platforms, right? Whether it's the brands, whether it's Applog, the influencers who are today a very powerful force in the world of creating intent and interest and walk-ins, communities, groups, actual customers to hai hi, wo to dhoond hi rahe, and the auto business people, the ones who are the OEMs, the makers, the entire ecosystem, they are also there. If you want to create the right brand for your dealership, we will partner with you. And this, your page and your handle, Instagram handle and your Facebook page is actually your brand. And we will help you craft it in a way that it talks about the brand in the most unified, authentic way. Anyway, so I think I'm a little out of time, but remember a few things. When same study that I talked about, when a customer is coming into the cycle of buying, most of them have not made up their mind. Don't think that if somebody said, I want to buy a Tata Motors, they have made up their mind. They've got a preference. If you make yourself discoverable with the right content, right creative, you're likely to be able to have a conversation. They might still go and buy, and it's great. And everybody is part of the ecosystem. So there are multiple formats, don't want to get into it, this is very technical. But remember, we are using all kinds of things. We can generate a lead, friction-free lead, right on the platform, right on Facebook. आपके auto details pre-fill होके आ जाएंगे. Or we can put you into a messenger chat or a work chat, or you can just directly call the dealership. All kinds of formats are now available. Just by putting the right ad out there, you can have a direct conversation with the customer. And the right customer. You don't have to advertise all over the city. The right customer in your radius. That's all I'll leave you with. Everything can be done. Test drives, financing options, discounts, loyalty program, promotions, festive offers. Festive is a very big time for you. And all our research shows that this really counts. You know it. You know it better than I do. And finally, once you made the purchase, the CRM of it, the customer lifecycle value, how do you engage them, how do you upgrade them, how do you get them to buy more accessories, how do you get them to come into your dealership for the servicing, all of that, again through WhatsApp and Messenger. With that, I'll just wrap. Thank you so much for your time. We have ready partners, and we'll be seeing each of you at your locations, at the big conclaves with FADS partnership. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Team Meta, who are also our partners, and of course, we all know that they provide extremely crucial solutions to take your business to the next level.